Want to start a YouTube channel without ever showing your face, recording your voice, or editing for hours? In 2025, you can automate your entire YouTube workflow from script to upload using AI. Let me show you the exact tools top creators are using to run faceless channels like a pro. It all starts with the script, and no, you don't need to be a writer. ChatGPT can generate full YouTube scripts based on your niche, tone, and video length. Whether it's a top 10 list, a documentary, or a tutorial, just give it a prompt and you're good to go. Next up, voiceovers. 11 Labs offers realistic AI voices that sound eerily human. Choose a voice, paste your script, and it'll narrate with natural tone and emotion. You can even clone your own voice if needed. Now that you have a voiceover, let's turn it into video. In video, AI automatically generates scenes, text overlays, and B-roll clips based on your script. You don't need any editing skills. Just upload your voice and script, and InVideo does the rest. Want more control? Use the script to tweak audio, cut filler words, or drag and drop visuals. It edits video like a Word document. Just highlight and delete words, and your video updates in real time. No channel grows without strong thumbnails. Pixels is an AI thumbnail generator that creates bold, clickable YouTube thumbnails in your niche. Choose a vibe, mystery, tech, glam, and it generates design options you can tweak in seconds. Need help brainstorming video ideas or viral titles? Poppy is your AI idea machine. It analyzes your niche, trending topics, and formats to suggest video titles with strong click potential. There's never been a better time to grow a YouTube channel without ever stepping in front of the camera. AI is your crew now: writer, editor, voice actor, designer, all in one. Which tool are you trying first? Drop a comment if you're starting a faceless channel in 2025, and subscribe for more AI tools to grow faster, smarter, and stress-free.